Alright, this is my Amazon replacement lamp for my Samsung DLP. Here's the old lamp that's burnt out. Here's the box that the new lamp came in. You ready, Misty?
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn the light on for me. I mean, the TV on for me, would you? And this is what happens with the, did it turn on?
I push the button.
Alright.
Lights blinking.
Okay, it takes a second sometimes. Try it again. No?
Lights are blinking.
You got a red light and a green light blinking.
Alright.
Green one says lamp, red one says something else.
Try.
Standby.
Here we go. I think I heard it go on. No. What the heck? Literally, there was like molten metal and stuff coming off of the new bulb in the back. It's
That's weird.
it's what's the word? Like soldered, like welded on the inside now. I can't even take it out. Hit it again, see if that comes on. It won't even turn on now. It's fried.
It's flashing lamp and it's flashing standby.
Yeah.
Temp. Maybe it's too hot or something.
No, I haven't had it on. I turned it right off right away. Great. Great.
That sucks. You got the new bulb and everything?
It's welded. I can't get it out. It slides in.
Yeah.
It's like welded in there now. Hit it again, Misty. See if it turns on. There we go. Okay, here we go. Look, Kevin. Look.
Oh man.
Can you see that?
Oh wow, that's kind of.
Okay, Misty, turn it off. Turn it off. I got it unplugged.
That's bad.
That is bad.
Right there.